Hey, Miss Marion here. We're going to talk about exponents today, so make sure that you have a note page and you're following along. Please take notes so you understand how to go ahead and do the homework. So make sure you have a note page. All right, so let's go ahead and let's fill in some vocabulary and different things going along with our information that is given to us. And so first of all, we are going to go ahead and, well, of course, we're talking about exponents. So exponents show, let's put a pen on there. So they show repeating multiplication. All right, so in here, this is what is considered an exponent. So the tiny little number above is the actual exponent. It tells how many times the base is the 5, is being multiplied. And then the base, as you can kind of see as we did before here, this is what is the base. It is the number that is used as a factor or the number being multiplied. The number All right, so word form, we're actually looking at the example that we have actually on the page. And so we're looking at this, right? So it's 5 to the 4th power. The expanded form shows the multiplication expression. So ours is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 being multiplied 4 times. And then standard form is the answer to the problem when multiplied. So if we did 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, the answer would be 625. So let's look at example number 1. Example number 1, so we want to go ahead and we write 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 in exponential form. The base is 7. It is used as a factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So then the exponent is 5. And we write it as 7 to the 5th power. Example number 2. We have 8 times 8 times 8. So the base is 8. It is used as a factor of 3 times. So the exponent is 3. So we're going to write it in exponential form, 8 to the 3rd power. Then we have this one. We have 9 times 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 9. So the base is 9. If we do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it's factor 9 times. The exponent is 9. So we have 9 to the 9th power. So now let's go ahead and let's do some examples. It says write the product using the exponent. So example number 4, our base is 2. How many do we have? 2, 3, 4. We have 4 of them, so it's 2 to the 4th power. Example number 5, our base is 10 because it's 10 times 10 times 10. How many times did we multiply that 10? We multiplied it 3 times. Example number 6, we have 2.4 is our base. 1, 2, 3 times, so it's 2.4 raised to the 3rd power. And then example number 6, we have 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have raised to the 6th power. And then example number 5, notice how we have 1/4. Fractions are always put in parentheses. So when we're writing them in the exponential form, we're always going to put them in parentheses because it says this whole entire fraction is being raised to a power. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 raised to the 5th power. So again, with fractions, you want to put parentheses around them. All right, so example number 9, the rest of them, write each power as a product of the factors and then find the value. So we have example number 9 is 7 to the 3rd power, so that's going to be 7 times 7 times 7. So we can grab our calculator. We can either do 7 times 7 times 7, or you can put it in your calculator as 7 caret top 3. We kind of talked about that the other day, and this shows our exponent. So then it will be 343. Example number 10, we have 2 multiply 7 times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then if you want to multiply that out as many as 7 times you can, or you can do 2 caret top 7, and our answer is 128. Same kind of thing. Example number 11. We have 3.1 raised to the 2nd power, so 3.1 times 3.1, so 3.1 raised to the 3rd, raised to the 2nd. So our answer, so 3.1 caret top 2, 961. And then this last one, remember, it's going to be 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3. We can put in our calculator how that is. Sometimes when the fraction is way too small, it's going to just give you the decimal back. So the way that I kind of remember it is I can multiply the top together. I can say 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1, and 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. Yes, I know the calculator will do this, but sometimes you have to, if the calculator cannot, then you multiply all the tops together, put that number on the top, multiply all the bottoms together, put that on the bottom. All right, so today we're talking about exponents, just kind of introduction to exponents. That's what this whole next unit is. Your homework is Introductions to Exponents worksheet. This is in Canvas, so you need to go ahead and put your answers into Canvas. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.